Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save any TikTok videos as GIF using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and then log in your account. So just go ahead and scroll until you see the video that you want to save as GIF. So now just go ahead and click on the share button here at the left side of your, at the right side of your screen. And then here at the lowest part of your screen, you want to swipe your finger from right to left until you see share as GIF option. So here just need to wait. And now just go ahead and click on these three little dots and scroll down and click on save image. So now just go ahead and check your photos or your gallery, and here you can see the video that you saved earlier. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.